Evening, sir. We create a crossfire tournament schedule using combination without repetition and exception handling in C++. Uh, every month, a computer shop owner hosts a crossfire competition between various players on computer shop. Sila ang Embe Boys, Ruru Boys, Blue Diaper at Palabog Shop. To make the event fair and efficient, each team should battle every other team once, meaning there should be no repeated matchups and no team should face itself. Uh, Carl, a graduate of computer engineering, is given the task of creating a C++ program that is able to create the schedule automatically. Carl plan like is mathematics. Carl decides to employ combinations sparingly, much like in mathematics, to illustrate if four teams are present. MP Boys, Suru Boys, Blue Diaper, Palubog Shop. Uh, the matchup should be produced by the program in this manner. Ito yan. Sa code. The, the team, the number of team, four team. Number one team, MP Boy. Second team, Ruru Boys. Third team, Blue Diaper. Fourth team, Palubog. Here, sabi nga dito, the matchup should be produced by the program in this manner. Ito. So kung ano, naglagay ka ng pangalan na hindi unique, yung parang may mali kang nilagay, halimbawa yung same yung nilagay mo, ito yung mangyayari. Sabi. Item number of yan. Uulitin ko lang yan because tignan natin kung ano yung mangyayari. And yung mangyayari pag ano, error, team name must be unique. Dapat iba-iba yung pangalan. Ito yung siyaw na ano, yung enter the number of teams kung saan mo ilalagay yung ano, number niya. Yan, siin, para ma-type mo kung ilan yung number. If number teams is less than 2, yung mangyayari is valid and good, there must be at least two teams. Ito yung example. Ito yung mangyayari pag less than 2 yung nilagay mo. And valid and good, there must be at least two teams. Ito, under the name of team. Okay. Ito yung kanina. Parehas yung ano, yung nililitaw. Error team names must be unique. Ito naman, pag wala kang nilagay, error team name cannot be empty. Oo.